Hey folks, I want to talk to you about, can you really grow hair even if you think you're bald? And the answer is yes. The body can regenerate tissue. The body is built to regenerate tissue. The only reason why it doesn't do that is because you're punishing it with the wrong foods. You're eating dairy products, animal products, starchy foods, and this makes the body highly acidic, and the body cannot regenerate tissue this way. The only way to regenerate tissue is to go on a fruit diet. I know I repeat myself over and over again, but it's the truth. And the truth needs to be said over and over again until you accept it. If you go on a fruit diet, the body will have no other reason but to grow, because the fruits are astringent, they pull out toxins, they hydrate the cells, they allow the lymphatic system, which is the main immune system of the body, to flow properly, which means the body can remove all obstructions to the growth. And it clears the kidney out, which means you can filter all the toxins out as well. All this will ensure your hair can grow back. So if you have lost hair and you think it's genetics, I can assure you it's not. It's a diet you're eating. If you combine this with a good hair product, I always mention a good hair product because it helps externally. Use a product like Grow Hair Oil that has the right plant extracts in it known to stimulate hair growth. Use that, combine with the food plan, and you see your hair is going to grow. Do not believe them when they say it's genetics. It is not genetics. You are born with hair, therefore you have hair. If your hair is completely gone, the stem cells are in there, they can regenerate. You just have to know what you're doing. You have to believe you can do it. I can tell you, it can be done. So I hope this helped you. I hope you pay attention to your health, pay attention to your abilities, and allow your body to do what it's supposed to do. And you see, you'll be happy, and you get the results you want.